I opened Google AI Studio thinking it was basically another chatbot. 5 minutes later, I realized I completely misunderstood what Google built. This isn't really made for casual users, so I started treating it like a sandbox instead. I tested prompts I'd been using elsewhere, uploaded images, tried long documents, even played around with structured outputs just to see where it'd break. Honestly, it handled more than I expected. The interface is pretty clean. Nothing fancy, but that's actually what I liked. You're not digging through 10 different menus just to test an idea. Then I tried something that usually trips AI models up. I gave it a messy prompt with almost no context. The answer wasn't great, so I rewrote the prompt, added a little structure, and the difference was huge. That was probably the biggest lesson from this whole test. Google AI Studio rewards good prompting more than most people realize. One thing I didn't expect. Being able to tweak settings and instantly compare responses saved me way more time than opening 5 different AI tabs. If you're experimenting with prompts or building AI apps, that's incredibly useful. Now, it's not perfect. If you're expecting a polished app that does everything for you, you'll probably leave disappointed. It feels more like a workshop than a finished product. And honestly, I think that's intentional. Pricing depends on which models and API usage you're working with, but for experimenting and learning, it's surprisingly accessible. So, who's this actually for? Developers will get the most out of it. Power users will probably love it. If you're a content creator or business owner who's curious about what Gemini can really do beyond a basic chat window, it's definitely worth exploring. Would I replace every AI tool with Google AI Studio? No, but I'd absolutely keep it open whenever I'm testing prompts or building something new. And if you're choosing between Google AI Studio and another AI platform, compare what you can actually build, not just the chatbot answers. That's where the real difference shows up.